Today we are gathered here to observe the 29th anniversary of Rwanda's liberation, known locally as byokwibohora, which is marked annually on 4th of July. Rwanda's Liberation Day reminds us of the landmark victory of the Rwanda Patriotic Front, RPF, led by His Excellency Paul Kagame, the President of the Republic of Rwanda, that on 4th of July stopped the genocide against the Tutsi and embarked on the journey of rebuilding a destroyed nation. Today we look back and see the selflessness, the bravery, and patriotism of many Rwandan young men and women who put their lives on the line to liberate Rwanda from a dictatorial regime. Your presence here is very much appreciated. Before we start our celebration, allow me to request you to remain upstanding for the national anthems of the republics of Rwanda and Kenya. Thank you, Excellencies. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. On a day like this, it is important to share Rwanda's transformation journey that is reflected in a short video clip that is going to be projected. The video tells a story of transformation, a story of true liberation. From the horrors of the 1994 genocide against the Tutsi to a proud nation that Rwanda is today. Please enjoy the clip.